Thank you for landing in my channel. Enjoy the video and hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. Recycling small items to save your life. Use an old toothbrush to clean the bottle. Heat the back of the toothbrush with a lighter or candle, then bend it. Prepare dishwashing soap and dip the toothbrush. You will easily clean the bottle in difficult parts. And rinse thoroughly. Prepare a dish cleaning sponge. Cut the sponge into 4 parts and tie it with a rubber band. Use chopsticks as handles. Utilize used bottle. Use a tea strainer to collect loose hair to prevent clogged drains. Use the old botlay to store the towels. Thank you for watching. If there be any uncomfortabilities, forgive us. Don't forget that subscribe button. Thank you.